What's up, YouTube? It's Prada, and you know what time it is. It's reaction time, my boy. So look, chat, today we're gonna be reacting to Chucky Hiccup official music video. Look, before we get into today's video, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on at all times, you feel me? Also, go down to the description, follow me on all my socials so you can stay tuned in, stay tapped in at all times, chat. Look, we're on the road to 750 subscribers. Y'all running me up. Let's do it, chat. Let's do it. You feel me? So look, with that being said, Chucky already know the rules and the regulations, so let's dive right into this shit. Come on. It's called Hiccups. Hiccup, my bad. Let's see what he talking about.
Hey man, free Bloodbath, no man. Hey, free the guys, man. Shit free, but free the guys.
Shit free, but free the guys and free Gunsmoke.
He never lied. Ain't shit free. But I understand what he's saying. Free the guys. You know what I'm saying? So let's run this shit up.
Red seats, red key, all the hoes on sex me. Me and her both got Selena, she thinks she my bestie. I don't like it when I bounce out, seen him take his last breath. Niggas troll on that for promo, can't let us a mad reach.
Yes.
I got on 2 boxes of bridge, she sucking deep before I pee. Me and Mil D out the lane, big up Lil D out the lane. You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck, go D.I.E. Turn it down all the
You don't like the way I rap? Go D.I.E. nigga, die. You know what I'm saying? That's what he said, chat. That's what he said. Come on, he's talking. This beat nice, chat. And he's kind of running this bitch. I'm not gonna lie.
Out the lane. You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck, go D.I.E.
Okay.
Turn it down all the tour days, my first show gon' be Italy. I don't like no fucking diamonds, plain Jane Autumn, mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses. Draco Timmy was out there swing 'em. No, they not, but sure, Chacron had 2K just for me to see through. Bella right here, boy, I see dude. Candle lights get hit for sure. Niggas we talk like savages, time to do savage shit, they disappearing.
Hold on. Just let me breathe for a second, chat. Let me breathe for a second, cause he's running this motherfucker. Free Schmirk, I see the hoodie back there. But I'm just saying, he's running this motherfucker. Let me breathe, okay? Give me just a few seconds, alright? Let's go. Let's run it back just a little bit.
Don't like no fucking diamonds, plain Jane Autumn, mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses. Draco Timmy was out there swing 'em. No, they not, but sure, Chacron had 2K just for me to see through. Bella right here, boy, I see dude. Candle lights get hit for sure.
Yes.
We talk like savages, time to do savage shit, they disappearing.
Okay.
I get on the net and act myself, that savage shit be in me. You niggas savage be broadcast, y'all do everything for likes. Army gun size as a bike. Pink slip shut the police right up. Remember them days in them hot cars, Bella right here, fucking right up.
It's like I'm waiting for the beat to drop on some shit, chat, and it's not dropping. You know what I'm saying? It's not dropping.
Pink slip shot the police right up. Remember them days in them hot cars, Bella right here, fucking right up. And before them Rolex diamonds, I was make my glizzy light up. Every mission Chucky here, fucking right up. And before them Rolex diamonds, I was make my glizzy light up.
And before them Rolex diamonds, I was making my glizzy light up. Come on, he's running this motherfucker. It's so much shit that he's saying that I could be sitting here stopping this bitch. I'll be stopping this bitch every 5 seconds. I'm just saying. Okay, he's running this bitch. I'm not gonna lie.
Every mission Chucky got off, he got hit up, got sent right up. Police think this shit again, they let bro out and snatched him right up. I go in a mile and cash out everything I want, I get it. I heard you be petty spending. My advice, bro, say them pennies. Get to the room, drop a penny, she screaming, go Chucky, get it. Won't go for that, I ain't thirsty. End of the night, I still hit her. After the show, bet we bip through, we on the hunt for them niggas. First
chat, he hard as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. I just gotta put that out there. This nigga's hard as fuck, chat. I'm not gonna lie. He's hard as fuck, chat.
I know I ran through, that's why she hit in my system. I got codeine in my system, yo bitch, I sippin' on liquor. I don't throw cash in the strip club, young nigga getting more richer. Mexican hoe getting thicker, NYC finna go hit her. If I get hit on the dice game, lil' bro come through, it's a stick up. On the drill, he caught the hiccups, what that mean, that boy a bitch boy. I got a switch on my rocket, that bitch come quick like a blitz boy. Or come quick like a Hellcat, we still post up in them trenches. Toy hit the block, we in CP, throw the blicks over the fences. Do donuts in a scan pack, that's when I first time I dilly. Gave my OG 30K and did it again, I'm super richy. I know not to come outside, I got like 15 lows on Sibley. See a strike, fuck up the ride, I gotta get back home, you silly.
Chat, I don't know what to say, chat. The nigga really got me speechless. Cause he's like running this bitch. Hey Chucky, you running this bitch, gang. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, good grief.
Around every time, I got like 4 spots in a bitty. I got rich, I rap, not crack, but I do 1 million a minute.
He said, I got rich off rap, not crack, but I do 1 million in a second, chat.
I got like 4 spots in a bitty. I got rich off rap, not crack, but I do 1 million a minute.
In a minute.
Going up, they got that bro out any minute. Free Shona and free Millie.
Free Smirk. They gotta let bro out any minute. Come on.
Free Smirky going up, they got let bro out any minute. Free Shona and free Millie, bro, my twin, and that's my killer. We got 4 Johnson, a sprinter, it's just me and Lil Bro in it. Beat the road for 13 hours, it's a month, I count the chicken.
This beat was nice, chat. Yes. He running shit, chat. I'm not gonna lie. This nigga fire, chat. I'm not gonna lie. That shit was nice, chat. That shit was nice. One thing I can say, if I can say anything, he could have had the beat drop, some crazy shit, crazy ass beat drop, and he could have went crazy on that motherfucker, right? But his vibe is different, chat. His vibe is different. Let me explain, chat. His vibe is different, chat. He rather had the same kind of flow the whole time and just walk the fucking beat. He walking that motherfucker like that motherfucker learned how to take his first steps. And I like it. And I fucking like it, chat. He going crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, them Chicago niggas, listen. With the music shit, you can never fail. I ain't gonna lie. Atlanta got that shit. Atlanta got that shit. But Chicago, they got some niggas come out of there. I ain't gonna lie to you, feel me? They got them niggas come out there too. So, you know what I'm saying? I get this shit a good 8. I'm not gonna lie. That shit was nice. And he was talking on that bitch. If I had to listen to everything the nigga was saying and stop that shit, I would stop this shit every 5 seconds. And y'all don't want me to do that. Free Smirk, nigga. Ha! Free Smirk. Look, if you fuck with the video, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on at all times, you feel me? Also, go down to the description, follow me on all my socials so you can stay tuned in, stay tapped in at all times, chat. Look, we're on the road to 750 subscribers. Let's run it up. We don't need no sleep, you feel me? It's just that simple. With that being said, chat, we out of here, Twinski.